Srimannarayana, third sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tat kshetram yachayadrukcha yadvikari yataschayat sachayo yat prabhavascha tatsamasena me shrunu. Om. You should understand the nature of your body. You should also understand the nature of yourself and how you ended up being in this body. All this understanding helps you to achieve the very purpose of your life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall try to understand the nature of my body. I shall try to understand the nature of myself. I shall also try to understand how I ended up being in this body. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 230th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma, praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, Hey Bhagavan, nobody can cross your Maya, but those who believes in you, keeps faith in you, and those who are waiting for your compassion, they will be reaching you with your anugraham, blessings. तत्ते अनुकम्पां सुसमीक्षमाणः भुञ्जान एवात्मकृतं विपाकम्. Great devotees, they will be with a lot of patience going through all the consequences of their past karma, and they will always have a great faith in you, and they always consider you as their ultimate goal. And with that Vishwasam faith, they are attaining your Divya Dhamam, your divine abode. That means to attain you, just believing you is enough. Nothing else need to be done. Nothing else can be done also. Ye velang krupachuchu nennadu harin vikshintu. Ho Krishna, ho Sarveshwara, when are you going to show your compassion on me? When can I see you? This is how one should be craving. If anyone having this kind of craving, they are considered as most wealthiest person. Nee ventambadi tonti karma chayamun. Like that, they always will be after you, and they will be traveling in the path of devotion, and they will be always thinking about you. They will be always taking your name. They will be doing every activity as your seva. Like that, great devotees attaining that moksham and earning that moksha Lakshmi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 3rd sloka. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrukcha yadvikari yatascha yat sachayo yat prabhavascha tat samasena me shrunu. Tat kshetram yaccha yadrukcha yadvikari yatascha yat sachayo yat prabhavascha tat samasena me shrunu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.